Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to show you how to create map through Oracle Analytical Cloud. Now let's begin. I am going to open desktop. So I have opened desktop. Now I'm going to create one new project and selecting sample data, finance sample data. Since I am going to create a map, so we require one geographical field. So for that I am taking country field, and for creating map I am taking another field that is called profit. So I am going to create map country by profit. So changing here in the visualization section map. So now we got map country by profit. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.